Hi guys, it's me Tech Jake. Now I've been testing this LED projector for a few days, and I gotta say, it's got some pretty surprising capabilities, especially at this price point. Let's break it down. Design-wise, this thing looks sleek for a budget projector. You've got a classic matte finish, an easy-to-grip form factor, and a solid lens housing with manual focus and keystone adjustment dials right up top. Ventilation is decent, and the built-in speaker grills are positioned well to project audio forward. You get your standard I/O setup, HDMI, USB, AV, headphone jack, and of course, the port for power. But here's the cool part, mobile screen mirroring. Yep, whether you're on Android or iOS, you can beam your screen wirelessly. For a lot of people, especially casual movie watchers or gamers, not needing to plug in a laptop or media stick every time is a huge plus. I mirrored my phone within seconds, and I was streaming content from YouTube, Netflix, and even mobile games without any noticeable lag. Now let's talk image. On spec, this projector says 4K supported, and while that doesn't mean native 4K, it does a solid job scaling 1080p and 4K inputs into something very watchable. At around 100 inches, even on a plain wall, the video is clear, bright, and punchy. The 7500 lumen spec is obviously peak brightness under ideal conditions, not ANSI, but in practical terms? For a dark room or late-night movie setup, more than bright enough. Colors pop, contrast is decent, and the blacks? Not OLED deep, but definitely better than most sub-$200 projectors I've tested. Compared to older budget models, this LED projector is noticeably sharper and has a better grasp on dynamic range. No washed-out whites or overly crushed shadows here. Audio is another story. The built-in speakers? Not theater quality, but functional. Great for dialogue-heavy content or casual watching. But if you want that immersive, chest-rumbling sound, hook up a Bluetooth speaker or go wired. Thankfully, the output options are there. This is what I think this projector nails. Versatility. Movie nights in your living room, gaming on a bigger screen, or even a backyard barbecue with the crew watching a live match. This thing delivers. The mobile phone projection feature really brings it into the casual use territory too. No need for HDMI cables, no extra remotes, just cast and chill. Setup is simple. Plug in. Adjust focus. Keystone correction if your angle isn't perfectly centered. Connect via HDMI or cast your screen. Done. One note, there's no built-in Android OS. So if you're expecting apps on board, this doesn't have that. You'll need an external streaming stick for the full smart projector experience. So here's my quick breakdown. Pros. Bright 7500 lumens LED light. Supports 4K input. Cast directly from mobile phones. Lightweight, easy to carry. Good image sharpness and contrast. Surprisingly decent for casual gaming and movie watching. Not native 4K. Built-in speakers are just okay. No smart OS built-in. Keystone correction is manual. Look, for what it costs, this projector punches way above its weight class. It's not going to replace a $2,000 home theater setup, but for a dorm room, small apartment, or just someone who wants the big screen experience without breaking the bank, this one makes a lot of sense. So if you're looking for a portable home cinema projector that supports 4K, works seamlessly with your phone, and gets bright enough for movie nights, yeah, this might just be it. If you want to buy this LED projector full video projector 7500 lumens projector 4K video beamer mobile phone projector for home cinema, then please visit the link provided in the description.